Creating successful content on YouTube requires dedication and a strategic approach. Here are some tips for becoming a hard worker in YouTube content creation. 1. Plan your content. Identify your niche. Choose a specific topic you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. Content calendar. Create a schedule to plan your videos in advance. 2. Invest in quality. Equipment. Use a good camera and microphone to enhance video quality. Editing software. Invest time in learning video editing software for polished results. 3. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments. Engage with viewers to build a community. Ask for feedback. Encourage viewers to share their thoughts and suggestions. 4. Optimize for SEO. Keywords. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to improve visibility. Thumbnails. Create eye-catching thumbnails to attract clicks. 5. Consistency is key. Regular uploads. Stick to a consistent upload schedule to keep your audience engaged. Branding. Develop a unique style and branding for your channel. 6. Analyze performance. YouTube analytics regularly. Check your analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. Adjust strategies. Be flexible and willing to adapt based on performance data. 7. Stay inspired. Follow trends. Keep an eye on trending topics and adapt them to fit your niche. Collaborate. Work with other YouTubers to reach new audiences. 8. Keep learning. Online courses. Invest in courses or tutorials to improve your skills. Stay updated. Keep up with YouTube's changing algorithms and community guidelines.